Hello and welcome you all to You Do It channel. I am Arki. Today I present you a poetry of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the fast for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Thank you. If you like my work, please subscribe, like and share this video with all your friends and loved ones. Thank you and God bless you all.